Hey everybody, welcome back. I have a very short video today. It is in the category of 40 years ago today. For those of you that don't know, I have been doing some personal research on who I am and what I was like as a kid growing up. And we are currently in March of 1978. So not quite 1980 something, but it's still a lot of fun to go through stuff. I'll try and throw some photos up of what I'm talking about, but what I've been doing is going through old documents and papers and photos and whatnot of that particular time frame. And I came across the first group of Polaroids, and it's kind of neat to go back and look and see what a little weird goofball I was as a baby. And it's a little bit ironic. I don't know if the camera that took these photos is the camera that I have now, but I have my camera from when I was a kid, a Polaroid land camera one-step, and mine came with a flash bar as well as a external big clunky flash bar that had batteries in it. We'll see what it turns out like. See you next time.